In a time of uncertainty found in consumerism, legacy and reliability are avenues of refuge. This is the Canon RF 24-70 f2.8 L series lens, and I think they made something pretty interesting. Let's take a look.
All right, everyone, so there you have it. That was a quick little overview of the 24-70 RFIS that recently just came out with the Canon EOS R and comparing it to the 24-105. So quick little notes that I noticed. As you can see right here, for the DJI Ronin S plate, you cannot have it flush to the back of it. So there's a little groove if you do that, that kind of interferes with that. So that's helpful on the 24-105, so that way when you're zooming all the way to 105, that it just helps the motors a little bit. So it's probably not a big deal, but that's just a little downside for that. And personally, I think that the zoom ring is a little bit higher quality, although probably just because it's brand new on the 24-70. And the zoom ring and the focus ring are slightly larger, and I think the aperture ring is slightly larger as well. It is a little bit heavier than the 24-105, but when just looking at it, one thing that I noticed comparing the this lens compared to like a Sony and their D Master lenses is that this looks a lot more proportional. So it just kind of, as far as overall design, I think it's a little bit better. Another note is that when considering this versus the EF 24-70 Mark II and adapting it to it, I think that with the 24-70 Mark II and adapter attached to this, the 24-70 Mark II is probably a little bit longer. And I always try and minimize adapting lenses because each of those connection points are a point of failure for different things. So you could be walking, just something could snap, you never know. So that's why I went with this version, and also that it has IS, so for video and shooting at low light, it's a lot better. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment those down below. I plan on making a test video this week, so be on the lookout for that. And other than that, thank you so much for watching.